Berlin and we want to show you the houseboat yacht, a penthouse on the water. Look at this view. Dining table, a complete kitchen with refrigerators, wine coolers, dishwasher, microwave, 140 square meters. Check out this wine cooler, ready to party, guest bathroom and laundry room. And look at this bedroom. Check out the bathroom they have here. And this is a smart home, so everything is connected by voice command. Alexa, ich gehe duschen. There's even a baby room, and the baby has also a nice view. Next to the baby room, there's a nice guest room to receive your guests. But let's check the configurator on the website. On the website, you can configure your own houseboat yacht. And it's so easy to drive. We have control side powers, acceleration, and ready to go. Wow, I'm in love with this kitchen. Check out this mirror glass island. It's a perfect spot to receive your friends. But I would like to invite you to go upstairs now to have a drink and enjoy the sunset on the greatest sun deck.